Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering the JBL speaker and putting it into pairing mode because the Chromebook can only see active, discoverable devices. Once done, open Quick Settings on your Chromebook and enable Bluetooth. This wakes the system radio. Make sure battery is adequate so connection persists. You should keep the speaker near the Chromebook and away from dense Wi-Fi or microwave interference, since Bluetooth uses the 2.4 GHz band. This reduces dropouts and speeds discovery for a quick pairing. You'll see the JBL entry appear. Click it to pair because that initiates secure link setup between devices. If a passkey appears, confirm it matches on both devices. Most modern JBLs use automatic pairing without a PIN, but confirming avoids accidental connections. Once paired, open Settings, then sound to choose the JBL speaker as the output device so audio routes correctly. Make fine volume adjustments on both the speaker and Chromebook, because mismatched levels cause distortion or inaudible playback. Finally, play a test track to verify audio clarity and synchronization. You want to confirm both output selection and volume. If you encounter no sound or dropouts, remove the JBL from Bluetooth devices and repair, because stale profiles often break. Also restart the Chromebook and speaker if repairing fails. That clears temporary radio issues. Make sure Chrome OS and your JBL firmware are up to date, since updates fix codec and stability problems. One key tip: check for interference and move closer if audio stutters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.